Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest blurry vision. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest blurry vision, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to Pinterest and you will enter. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to your Play Store and you can search about Pinterest. When you'll find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.